We packed it up in the Avalanche. Tons of room in here, by the way. Folds down nice and flat. And it doesn't weigh hardly anything. I don't even tell Tim how that works. He's figuring it out. Yep. You gotta squeeze it tight. There you go. And that's it. It's a little latch on the front and you're done. And then all your controls up here and you little bell. Charlie's like, I want to ride, dude. He was reaching. Press and hold the center button. There we go. Got a fully charged battery, 3 miles on the odometer. He is ready to rock and roll, Tim.
They used to say, do it for the vine.
Do it for the vine.
You want it for YouTube?
Do it for the YouTube.
Let's see if I can figure this out.
Tim doesn't really have much practice with it. But it's not hard to get the hang of. Still cold this morning though.
Feeling first gear.
So it's got 3 speed modes, 1, 2, and 3. 3 being your fastest, 1 being slow. He said he's just riding 1.
Hello.
I hear you, NASCAR. Well,
It's a great ride. I think I kind of thought that it was going to be a little worse on this. So
it's not that bumpy then?
no,
I haven't rode it. Other than like out of the shop. So it's all gravel. Think I could do it one-handed?
you can drive.
This is where
I ain't going to.
Oh god. Yeah, oh shit. Do not recommend you do it one-handed. It is a lot smoother than I would have thought it would have been. So the purpose behind something like this, we don't live in an area where you're going to ride it around town, but we do a lot of camping. In an instance like this where you have a second bathhouse that's all the way at the other end of the campground, it's very convenient to be able to hop on it and shoot over to the restroom or something, you know. And then there's fishing spots that you can get to back here through a little walking path that you could totally ride this down. Another fishing pond up on the other side. Once again, grab your tackle box and your fishing pole. Makes it convenient. I'm gonna ride it back, but not while holding the camera this time. See if I can go a little faster.